I'm gonna need a humidifier for my trailer, so I made this. Let me show you how I made it, starting with this dog food container. Next, you will need a 5-inch waterproof variable speed fan, a waterproof ultraviolet light to help kill any bugs in the water, a float valve to help control the water level, a 9-disc mist maker with a float, and a couple PVC pipes. I am going to be mounting the fan on the back right here, and you use this PVC pipe to help kind of stand it off. We only need about 3 or 4 inches to help mount it, so we're going to go ahead and get this cut. All right, we have it cut now, and we're going to be cutting a hole right here to fit that right in using my fancy saw here. For this next step, we're going to use this plastic stapler. It's going to help it secure it in place, and then after we have it secured, we're going to use some silicone to help secure it even further. All right, so now that we have our fan pipe set up, we're going to set another one here. It's going to go up. This is going to be the exhaust for the mist. Okay, I messed up. I initially wanted this to be sitting straight up like this at a 90-degree angle, but I realized that every time we screwed the lid on, it would not be in the exact same spot, so it would be tilting in whatever random direction. So what I'm going to end up doing here is using this lip here. I'm going to 3D print a circle. We're just going to have it come out straight from the top. Oops. So while we're waiting on parts to finish 3D printing, we're going to install the float valve. It's going to sit pretty much right there. And anytime the water drops below that, it should start automatically refilling with water. We got the float valve set up, and we're going to add another 1-inch hole here. This is going to be for our wire management. With our hole drilled here, we can go ahead and install our components inside this. First is our ultraviolet light. It's going to mount up on these clips I've pre-installed here. The second is our mist maker. We're going to take this plug and slide it in the back. I'm going to pull it through. Got our float, and then the mist maker itself is going to go right in there. And this is what the finished product looks on the inside. We got our mist maker, our float valve to help refill the water, ultraviolet light to help keep the water clean, and our fan to help blow it out into our trailer. Then we're going to use some expanding foam to get in there and secure it, and to fill in those gaps from that bigger hole that I messed up on. I ended up 3D printing the lid, cleaned up the foam, and then secured it with the silicone as well. Nice and firm, it's not going anywhere. Bottom's kind of ugly, but that's okay. And yes, that is waterproof foam. One of the last steps is to design and 3D print my dragon so we can have a little bit of fun. Why not? And here she is in all her glory. I did have to end up 3D printing a few parts. Obviously the dragon head, the lid here for the cosmetic mess up that I did earlier. Also the coupler for the fan. If you have a 3D printer, just message me. I have no problem giving you my files for these things. So if you like this, please like, follow, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Now let's see it roar.